Today we are extremely happy to have in our midst Sri Vivek Anand Royji. We heartily welcome you to Bodoland Territorial Region, and may I request our organizing committee members to kindly felicitate Sri Vivek Anand Oberoi with an Arunai. The memento of Bodofa UN Bromo and the Arunai December. Thank you very much. May I request Thank you, sir. May I request our organizing team to kindly felicitate Brigadier M. Ravi, who is here in our midst today with an alumni memento of Bodofa UN Bromo and an overcoat.